Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your earbuds REDMI Buds 6 Pro. You have to start by open Play Store and then go to the search at the bottom. Now click at the search line at the top and write Xiaomi. Now search, and you need to install the application what called Xiaomi Earbuds. Now open it, check, then we need to check also here. Sorry, I missed where is this check mark. We need to only check at the first one, but you can also click at the second one. It's up to you. Then agree. Right here, select your region by just pressing it. You can use a search or find something here. And then click next. Skip. Right here you need to click allow and click add earphones. Agree. While using the app. But you can do not allow if you don't need it. That's it. In the next video I will show you how to add these earbuds to the application, so if you don't know how, you can check that video. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!